Welcome back to No Recipes, where we elevate everyday meals using tried and true techniques. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and today we're going to be making a nutritious, delicious seaweed salad. It's really easy to make, and once you know how to make it, you'll never go back to buying those tubs of artificially colored, overly sweet seaweed salads from the grocery store. Alright, let's get started. For our ingredients, we have a mix of dried seaweed, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, rice vinegar, salt, toasted sesame seeds, and chopped scallions. We're also going to use some ginger juice. I'll tell you more about this in a bit. My seaweed salad mix includes green mafunori, kombu, green tosaka, wakame stem, wakame, red tsunomata, red tosaka, red funori, white tosaka, and thread agar. But any mix of seaweed will do. First, you want to rehydrate the seaweed in cold water for 6 to 7 minutes. Wow, just look at that seaweed grow. This kind of reminds me of making capsule creatures as a kid. Once your seaweed is rehydrated, drain it and rinse it under cold water. You want to get rid of any extra salt or grit that might be hanging onto your seaweed. Now you want to give the seaweed a good squeeze to remove any excess water. Otherwise, your salad's going to end up being soggy, and soggy seaweed salad, not so much. Before we move on to the dressing, let's make some ginger juice. Just grate some ginger into a bowl. Then you pass the pulp through a tea strainer to extract the juice. Be sure to press on the solids to get as much juice out as you can. To make the dressing, add the soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, ginger juice, sugar, and salt to a non-reactive bowl. Then you just whisk the seaweed salad dressing together until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. This may take a bit of time. Now we just add the drained seaweed and mix it all together. To finish it off, add some toasted sesame seeds and scallions. Give it a mix and you're done. See, I told you this is gonna be easy. This simple, delicious seaweed salad is full of colors and textures, and it's loaded with vitamins and minerals, so I hope you'll give it a try. Hit the link in the description for the full recipe, and if you enjoyed this video, leave us a like and be sure to subscribe for more delicious everyday salads.